afternoon, students. So today we are going to discuss about edge detection based on design thinking. Okay. So what is design thinking? Can anybody answer?
Thinking is an user-centered approach where it defines the user needs and define problems and create innovative and practical solutions.
So design thinking is a human-centric approach. It is mainly for problem solving. Okay, based on the 5 stages. So what are the 5 stages? Empathy, define, ideate, prototype, prototype. Can anybody explain what is empathy?
Empathy is the understanding the user needs from observational facts and capturing the users.
Okay, so empathy is collecting information about the user needs or requirements through observation or through observation, okay, or interaction. Okay, so next stage is define.
They clearly frame the problems based on insights gathered from users.
So the next stage is ideate. Yes.
In ideate stage, it generates the multiple ideas and creative ideas and give the possible solution without any limitations.
Okay, very good. These stages are empathy, collecting the requirements, and the next one is based on the requirement and feedback, we can define or we can frame the problem statement, and the next stage is ideate. So with all this information, we can ideate the solutions, different solutions for the particular problem. And the next stages are prototype and testing. So prototype is creating a model for the particular problem, and testing is to test the prototype. Okay. So next. So empathy, that is why we need edge detection. Okay. So there are some reasons. So it is mainly used to identify object boundaries. So it is mainly used for detecting boundaries and short intensity changes. So the boundaries can be detected by using abrupt change in the intensity of pixels. Okay. So it sets the discontinuity in image brightness and contrast. And it is very important to extract features of an image, that is corners, lines, curves. Okay, it is mainly used in medical imaging. For medical imaging, it is used for detecting tumors or organs boundaries for the easy analysis and disease detection for doctors. Okay. So to extract a line drawing, for example, refer this diagram. So this is the line drawing for representation from an image, and also it is useful for recognition. Okay. So these are the empathy points. Next. So using these empathy points, we can define what is edge detection. So edge detection is a technique used to locate the boundaries of an image. Okay. So edge detection, why it is needed? Edge detection simplifies the image by retaining only the most important features. Okay. So edges are locations with high intensity. The pixels are having high intensity. So that is called edges. Okay. So the edges can be detected with the use of the pixel levels. Okay. Next one. So there are some methods, that is we can ideate some solutions. So edge detections, there are 2 solutions basically, gradient based and second order derivative methods. So under gradient based edge detection, Sobel operator and Roberts and Privet operators can be used, and under Laplacian based edge detection method, Canny operator can be used. Okay. So gradient means measuring rate of change of intensity. Okay. So it detects the edges using slope information. That is the difference between the high intensity and low intensity is called slope information. And the second order means measuring change of gradient, so that detects using zero crossing and fine details. So it is derived from the gradient. Second order derivative means it is derived from the gradient. Okay. The next one is. So the next one is gradient method, that is Sobel operator. It is a method used to detect edges in an image by checking how pixel values change in the horizontal and vertical directions. Sir, can anyone summarize today's topic? Yes.
we saw about edge detection. Edge detection is used to detect the boundary of an object. It also used to detect the lines, curves and the corners. It is mainly used in medical field to detect the organs and the tumors clearly. It has two different types, gradient method and the second order derivative method. In the gradient method, it has three types: Sobel operator, Robert operator and the Privet operator. In second order derivative, it has one type, that is scanner type.